Struggling to implement ISO 27001? Looking to simplify your journey towards information security compliance? Implementing an information security management system from scratch or the path to ISO 27001. Compliance can be complex, time-consuming, and overwhelming. Here is the solution. ISO 27001 ISMS GRC Toolkit, your all-in-one solution to implement, manage, and achieve ISO 27001 certification faster, easier, and smarter. With this toolkit, you will get over 90 ready-to-use policies, procedures, and templates, fully customizable and aligned with latest ISO 27001-2022 standard. Regardless of your role or industry, this toolkit is designed for you to create, implement, and manage an ISMS faster and with greater confidence. So why spend months developing documents when you can have them ready within minutes? Get your toolkit now and start your ISMS journey today.